Well, this here is a 1986 Dodge Aries. I'm buying this car. Sat around for 3 years, and I just got it to run. It's not mine yet, but I just drew an agreement with the woman. We're gonna buy it. Whoa! Ah. My paperwork was fine off the top of the roof. Here's everything. The air conditioning seems to be discharged. It's freshly retrofitted in '98. Vehicle runs. There's some vacuum lines broken that I can tell, which is why it runs a little weird. But it's definitely running. Sounds good. Doesn't seem to be overheating or boiling any fluids. So I'm pretty happy. It has 63,000 miles and everything seems to work. Except for the air conditioning. It's beautiful inside. Clear coat could be in better shape though. Everything is in great shape, even the trunk. The trunk looks like I think she said she recarpeted. The only problems we have here is there's a small dent in the hood. There is a broken window over there, not window, mirror. And on this side, there is a little bit of waviness and a dent in the door. But everything looks great. Thanks for watching.